I just want to log into my account and show you um, how much I've made so far with FBS. Okay, alright, this is my account. Alright, you can see I've made close to $1,300. Okay, um, yeah, okay, and this is all my clients. Okay, this is people that are working for me. Okay, as long as these people are trading, I'll be making a commission from them. Okay, and these are some of my dial, some of my clients. Okay, one of those people are trading, I make money from them. You can see I make $1.7 from this person. Okay, that's how it work. Not all of them know that. It's not all of them that will be trading. Okay, some of them can be trading, while some of them will go offline. All right, but as long as they are trading, I'll be making a commission from them. All right, for example, if you click on today, let us see. All right, if you click on today, you can see these are the people that trade today. You can see I've made 95 cents from this particular client. Okay, alright, you can see, you can show more if you want. Alright, okay, and if you click on yeah, let me click on client commission. Okay, you can see this is some of my earning. Alright, you can see. Okay, so this is to show you that with this okay, you can see I have 393 accounts in total. Okay, and lot that I've been paid for. I'm not the one that is trading. Okay, I'm not the one that is trading this lot. Okay, this is the lot I've generated from people that are trading. Okay, and from people that are using that have used my link to register. Alright, so when they are trading, I make money. So this is the total lot. The total lot I've been I've made so far from these people. Okay, alright, and this is my commission. Okay, this is my total commission I've made from these people. I've withdrawn a lot of money from them. Okay, let me show you. Let me go to partner area and see. Okay, alright, currently right now I'm having $22 in my balance. My balance now is $22.68. Okay, I've withdrawn a lot of money from them. Okay, let me show you. If I click on this now, this balance now, okay, so this is 2nd of September and I've already made $1.7. Okay, you can see how this is moving so fast. Okay, this is September and I've made already, this 2nd of September and I've made already 1.7. Okay, this is I have only 3 active clients, only 3 people that are trading right now. Okay, and these 3 people that are trading right now can make up to, before this month end, if these 3 people are trading, I can make more than $400 to $500, okay, from only these three people, okay, even within 2 weeks, depending on the instrument they are trading. All right, okay. So I just want to show you my account. Okay, so I'm in level 2, I'm in grade 2. Okay, I'm in grade 2 right now. I'm working hard to get to the grade 3. The more grade you are, the more grade level you are, the more money you make. You understand? Okay, like here now you can see how much I've made so far from these people. Okay, how much I've been making every single day. I can show you. I don't trade. Okay, like I'm saying, I'm not saying trading is no good. Trading is a very good thing, but anything that involves risk, I always keep myself aside. Okay, I used to trade before, but right now, since I discovered this method, I don't trade anymore. Okay, I allowed people to trade and I make money from them. Okay, this is how much I've been making from these people. Okay, you can see 0.7. I showed you this before. 0.77. You can see here $3. You can see here $4.3, and this is every day. You can see 31st of August, 30th of August, 29th of August, 27th of August, 26th of August. You can see almost every day I make money from them, almost every day when they are trading. Okay, I made a lot of money from them. All right, so in case I want to withdraw this $22, because other money I've withdrawn them. All right, I've withdrawn so many. I've withdrawn many of them. You can see here I withdraw. You can see withdraw here, withdraw over here. I withdraw $50 here. Okay, I'm going down. I withdraw $54 here. Okay, this is commission. You can see $40 in a day. All right, so I withdraw so much money here. All right, so I can't I have so much transaction history here. I can't search for everything. All right, so this is how it works. If you want to withdraw this money now, just click on finance here. Okay, choose the account and click on withdrawal. All right, so click on withdrawal here. Okay, you can see so much method here you can use to withdraw your money. You can see so much methods, so many withdrawal methods here that you can use. I only use local bank account because it's fast and you don't have to be exchanging or selling anything to anybody before you get your money. Okay, you get your money in naira straight into your local bank account. All right, okay, again, this is Prosperity Limited.